Getting an Azure certification in today's technology-driven landscape is probably the smartest decision that you can ever make for yourself. Right now, more than 95% of Fortune 500 companies use Azure, and that list continues to grow day by day. Hi, my name is Omar, and welcome to Microsoft Dev Radio. Here, we look to decode all things Azure and make it easily digestible for everyone that's curious about Microsoft and what Azure has to offer. Azure's roadmap provides structured guidance to master the cloud platform, ensuring you're equipped with the skills and knowledge required for a flourishing career in cloud computing. The first step in Microsoft Azure is discovering the reasons behind choosing an Azure certification, exploring the various certification levels, and following a learning path that aligns with your objectives. Here at Microsoft Dev Radio, we can give you official advice and help guide you to the right direction that you see fit. Let's first understand why Azure certifications are advantageous. Azure certifications hold significant value in today's technology-driven world. Here are some compelling reasons to consider Azure certifications. First, enhanced career opportunities. Azure certifications demonstrate your proficiency in cloud computing, opening doors to a wide array of career opportunities. Certified professionals are in high demand as organizations increasingly adopt Azure for their cloud infrastructure. Industry recognition. Azure certifications are globally recognized and endorsed by the industry. They validate your skills and knowledge, providing you with a competitive edge in the job market. Increased earning potential. Certified Azure professionals earn an average of 15% more than their non-certified counterparts. Azure certifications showcases your expertise and can lead to better job prospects and higher salaries. If you're interested in becoming an Azure certified professional, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and click the link in the description to join the Microsoft Dev Radio community. On this channel and in this community, we will provide you with a great amount of official Microsoft tips, tricks, and resources to help you become the best developer that you can be. Now, you may be wondering, who should take the Azure certification? Well, that answer is pretty simple. Whether you're a college student that is fresh out of graduation, or if you're already in the tech space and you're looking to bolster your resume, there is a Microsoft Azure certification that is for you. Now let's delve into the Microsoft certifications, which are role-based and come under 4 levels. Let's examine the different levels of the Azure certification. First, the Fundamental certification. Azure Fundamentals certification is designed for individuals new to Azure, offering a foundational understanding of Azure services, cloud concepts, security, and compliance. It's ideal for beginners and non-technical professionals. Number 2, Associate certifications. Associate level certifications are for individuals with some experience in Azure, validating skills in specific Azure roles such as Azure Administrator, Developer, and AI Engineer. These certifications demonstrate proficiency in implementing, managing, and securing Azure solutions. Number 3, Expert certifications. Expert level certifications are for experienced individuals specializing in specific areas such as Azure Solutions, Architect, DevOps Engineering, and Security Engineering. These certifications showcase advanced skills in designing, implementing, and managing Azure solutions. Number 4, Specialty certifications. Specialty certifications offer specialized expertise in areas such as SAP workloads and Azure IoT development. These certifications do not have prerequisites, allowing professionals to directly showcase their skills in these specific domains. Now let's explore the Azure certification learning path. To embark on a successful Azure certification journey, it's essential to follow a well-structured learning path. Microsoft Learn provides comprehensive resources and modules to guide you through this certification expedition. Here's a suggested learning path. 1. Start with Azure Fundamentals. Begin your Azure certification journey with the Azure Fundamentals certification. This certification acts as a compass introducing you to core concepts and services offered by Azure, covering topics such as cloud computing models, Azure architecture, core Azure services, security, privacy, compliance, and trust. Number 2, choose a role-based certification. Based on your career goals and interests, select an associate level certification that aligns with your desired Azure role. Various role-based certifications are available, such as Azure Administrative Associate, Azure Developer Associate, and Azure AI Engineer Associate. Each certification focuses on specific skills and knowledge required for that role. Number 3, gain hands-on experience. Azure is not just a theory. It demands practical experience. Microsoft Learn provides interactive labs and sandbox environments where you can gain practical experience with Azure services. By working on real-world scenarios and completing hands-on exercises, you develop the skills necessary to implement and manage Azure solutions effectively. Number 4. Explore advanced certifications. Once you've obtained an associate level certification, consider pursuing expert level certifications. These certifications showcase your ability to design and implement complex Azure solutions. Advanced certifications include Azure Solutions Architect Expert, Azure DevOps Engineer Expert, and Azure Security Engineer Expert. By following this learning path, you'll gain valuable insights and skills for success in the Azure cloud world. Keep exploring Azure's capabilities and watch your career soar. Stay curious and continue your journey towards an Azure expert. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to get every alert and update when we upload new videos and content. Also, click the link in the description to gain more access to Microsoft's official content.